Some mornings the marina's still quiet, and you're already loosening the lines. The 70 Sunreef Power Next doesn't wait for the day to catch up to it. Built in Gdansk, on the Baltic, by a yard that spent 2 decades chasing bigger water and better mornings. Every deck is teak-free now, cool underfoot, no matter how long you stay out. 2 engines, or none at all. Run on diesel when you want range, or go fully electric and slip out of the marina without waking a soul. Either way, you're past the breakwater before the coffee's gone cold. Fold-out platforms drop at the transom. A fold-out balcony opens off the stateroom. The water toys wait in the invisible garage, out of sight until you want them. The flybridge runs flush. 1 level, room enough for a spa pool, a bar, dining, and sunning space for everyone aboard. Drop the fold-out balcony and the water's right there. Stow the gear in the invisible garage between stops and keep the day moving instead of packing and unpacking. This is a boat built for the version of a day that starts before anyone else's. Diesel range when you want distance. Silent electric power when you don't want an engine's opinion on the morning. This isn't a boat you look at on a Saturday. It's a boat you live on. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.